एंड आई वांट टू डू चैलेंजिंग स्टफ। आई वांट टू डू ऐसे काम जो मेरे कंफर्ट जोन के बाहर हों। और जब प्रकाश जी जैसे डायरेक्टर जिनके साथ मैं 25 साल से काम करना चाहता था, आज मुझे मौका मिल रहा है। और जब उन्होंने मुझे सोच के लिखा ये कैरेक्टर, या मुझे सोचा इस कैरेक्टर को लिखने के बाद में, तो वहीं मुझे एक पॉजिटिव फील आ गई थी कि उन्हें मुझ में फेथ है।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू सेलिब्रिटी चिट चैट। दोस्तों, आज मेरे साथ यहाँ पर स्क्रीन पे आप देख ही सकते हैं ऐसे एक्टर, एक ऐसे शख्सियत मौजूद है, अ मैन हु हैज बीन रॉकिंग द वर्ल्ड ऑफ बॉलीवुड ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन्स आज तक. But given the current scenario, he's all set to make his digital debut. Well, he's already done that with his movie that recently launched a week back. Well, Class of 83. लेकिन अब वो लेकर आ रहे हैं अपनी वेब सीरीज by Prakash Shah. I'm talking about Ashram, which is all set to come out on the digital platforms, friends, and on the 28th of August. इसलिए दोस्तों मेरे साथ आज यहाँ पर हैं बॉबी देओल. Hi Bobby.
Hi Sakshi, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. आप कैसे हैं?
मैं एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास। बस ये ऐड करना चाहता हूँ आपके ओपनिंग सेंटेंस को कि MX Player फ्री है और आपको बस एप्लीकेशन डाउन करनी है और आप फ्री में देख सकते हैं।
Of course, I was about to say that, लेकिन मैं सबसे पहले आपको congratulate करूंगी. You know, within a span of 10 days, rather just 8 days, दो बड़े releases. First time your digital movie and उसके बाद अब digital web series. New times, difficult times, but entertainment is gradually coming back in our lives. But अब हम देख रहे हैं कि इसका एक चेहरा बदल रहा है. What is your take on that?
See, I'm very lucky that in times like this, when I haven't stepped out of the house since 6 months. Only once I had to go for a little bit dubbing for Ashram and for a haircut so I can give interviews.
It looks good, by the way. It looks
you.
really good, all good.
Thank you. I'm just excited because see, nothing is planned, you know. The environment changing, something like this pandemic which we're suffering right now. So it has been difficult times for a lot of people. I mean, for the whole world. And so for someone like me who's an actor and it's entertainment, the industry I belong to, I'm very glad that my projects came out in the times when people have been sitting at home. And in some way, I feel that I've been able to entertain them, and it gives you great joy. And also, I'm happy that my first movie that released, people gave me so much love and appreciation, that it made a lot of difference to me also, because even I am suffering sitting at home, and it just makes me more happy, more positive, and encourages you that bad times, good times, you have to never give up in life, as I've always believed now. And I always say that to myself every day. So I'm really happy that OTT platform is this new platform, which is, I think, is an amazing platform, because for an actor, he gets a lot of opportunities to play different shades of characters, different kinds of genres. So I'm really happy that मुझे ये मौका मिल गया और मैं आज आपके साथ ये इंटरव्यू कर रहा हूँ।
आपने पहले बहुत अच्छी बात अभी बोली, जो आपने कहा कि चाहे समय अच्छा हो या खराब हो, whether the times are tough or they are good, life has to go on. We all need to keep pushing ourselves.
Yes.
हमने अभी रिसेंटली देखा कि क्लास ऑफ 83 आई, उसको बहुत अच्छा रिसेप्शन मिला है ऑडियंस से, एंड आपके कैरेक्टर को भी बहुत तारीफ मिली है. लेकिन in a span of 7-8 days, now you're coming out with the web series Ashram.
Yes.
Talk us through थोड़ा सा उस सीरीज के बारे में, because the promo, the trailer has been rocking YouTube. I've been just saying that.
Well, मेरी ये डिलिबरेट एफर्ट है कि मैं अलग किस्म के कैरेक्टर्स करूं, और एक एक्टर को ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स मिलना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. तो मैंने बहुत कोशिश की, और मैं बहुत लकी हूँ, क्योंकि आपका काम ही आपको लक दिलवाता है. और मैंने बहुत मेहनत की है. और मुझे याद है वो दिन जब मुझे पता चला कि प्रकाश जी मिलना चाहते हैं मुझसे. तो मैं जब उनके ऑफिस गया, तो मैंने उनके सामने बैठा, वैसे ही इतना एक्साइटेड था, और एकदम से उन्होंने बोला कि ये है कैरेक्टर और मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप इसे प्ले करें. तो 2 सेकंड के लिए तो मैं खुद हैरान था कि कोई ऐसा कैरेक्टर के बारे लिख कर मेरे बारे में सोच सकता है. लेकिन मैं और खुश भी था कि मुझे जो करना मैं चाह रहा हूँ एज एन एक्टर, मुझे वो चांसेस मिल रहे हैं. एंड आई वांट टू डू चैलेंजिंग स्टफ. आई वांट टू डू ऐसे काम जो मेरे कंफर्ट जोन के बाहर हों. और जब प्रकाश जी जैसे डायरेक्टर जिनके साथ मैं 25 साल से काम करना चाहता था, आज मुझे मौका मिल रहा है. और जब उन्होंने मुझे सोच के लिखा ये कैरेक्टर, या मुझे सोचा इस कैरेक्टर को लिखने के बाद में, तो वहीं मुझे एक पॉजिटिव फील आ गई थी कि उन्हें मुझ में फेथ है. और मैंने फिर जी जान लगा के मेहनत की, और मुझे एक अलग मुझे शुद्ध हिंदी में बातें करनी थी, और हम मुंबई में रहते हैं और ऐसी हिंदी वैसे भी हम आम जिंदगी में इस्तेमाल नहीं करते। तो जब मैंने 1 महीना लगाया, 1 महीने से ज़्यादा ही, मतलब मैं 3-3 घंटे बैठता था। सुनीता जी करके एक लेडी हैं, उनके साथ बैठकर मैं ये डिक्शन पे वर्क करता था, अपने कैरेक्टर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता कैरेक्टर बनने लगता है आपके अंदर, क्योंकि जब आपको ग्रास्प हो जाता है आपकी लैंग्वेज पे, आपके डायलॉग्स पे, तो इट रियली मेक्स यू get more easily into your character. So it's been good. It's been great. It's been, I think, an amazing learning process for me, and I'm just happy that today I'm sitting आपके साथ बैठकर आज इस नए तरीके से बैठकर आपके साथ बातें कर रहा हूँ।
We're also actually happy just seeing you make a comeback on the digital world with such a big bang. मैं आपसे ये पूछूंगी, I was just reading अभी a couple of interviews जो प्रकाश जी ने खुद भी दिए हैं इस complete series को लेकर, and when you said जिस तरह से आप उनसे जब मिलने गए थे पहली बार, and it's always been your dream to be able to work with him, उन्होंने खुद भी ये बात कही है that he had you in mind and that you were the perfect fit for this character. उनके दिमाग में और कोई शख्सियत कोई और इंसान था नहीं. This is what I was reading. So tell me, how was the camaraderie and how was the working experience with Prakash Shah on this episode?
I think he's I think one of the most dedicated and hard-working person I've met in these 25 years. He is so hardworking and so dedicated. I'm not saying the others weren't, but he has this, a very different kind of energy, and the confidence it gives you when you work with him. It just, you feel, he somehow you start falling in the right place as a character. You start believing in yourself even more with him around, and that really helped me while I was working with him. And also his fitness level, I mean, to another level. We used to, there's a gym setup specially made for our unit at the hotel, because we were shooting in Ayodhya, and there are not many hotels with gyms. There's no hotel with a gym in it. So I used to get up around 5:30 to go down to the gym, and when I used to reach the gym, he used to be leaving the gym or almost completing his workout. So, and then the whole day he used to sit at the sets, get up early, first person to leave for the set, work the whole day, come back, sit in the evening, go over the lines for the next day so that everything is right. It's just amazing, So I just loved every moment spent with him on the sets and after backup. We used to sit together, we used to have dinners together, and he used to always get these mithais for us every other day, It was just, there was this mithai called Khaja. It is such
Khaja?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
called Khaja. It's from Bihar. He used to get all these mithais, and I'm thinking about it in my mouth watering.
आपकी चेहरे से ही पता चल रहा है कि वो कितनी हैप्पी मेमोरीज हैं जब आप उनको खुद भी अभी रिकॉल कर रहे हैं. Also what I want to ask you is that इस वेब सीरीज के लेके we've been hearing a lot, because ये बातें बहुत हो रही है कि ये एक रियल लाइफ से भी इंसिडेंट से इंस्पायर्ड है. Of course the topic is something जो आज की present circumstances and time से बहुत relevant है. And so tell me, is the storyline of this entire series just based out of, without following any real life incidents, or is it inspired from real life incidents?
I think in our society there is good, there is bad, there are con men, there are criminals, there are all sorts of people, amongst us. We never know who's what. And it is obviously, I mean, if you've seen Prakash ji's career, he's always chosen topics and subjects which create awareness about issues happening in the society. And I think this is also an issue, because there are a lot of criminals who wrongfully use whatever they can to influence people and make them and our people in our country are so innocent that they get fooled by these kind of people. And so basically it's just giving this kind of a message and creating awareness. And that's what always I think Prakash ji's goal has been as a director, if you've seen any of his movies. So I would just have, and also because
Realistic.
बहुत रियलिस्टिक सिनेमा बनाते हैं. उनकी फिल्म में इंटेंसिटी होती है, उसमें इमोशंस कितने इंटरेस्टिंग होते हैं, रिलेशनशिप्स, and there's I think he gets all the emotions of what is happening in society in his movies, and now in web series he's brought the same emotion, the same situations. That's what it's trying to show in a way. It's trying to create awareness. It's a fiction completely. It is not influenced by any particular person. It's just about what is happening, what is prevalent in a society.
So, मुझे एक चीज आपसे और ये जाननी है कि इस कैरेक्टर के अंदर उतरने के लिए आपको कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ी, बिकॉज एक हफ्ते पहले इन द क्लास ऑफ 83 आप एक कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर वेयर कर रहे थे, और अब जब हम देखते हैं दिस आई बिलीव इज आल्सो योर फर्स्ट टाइम कि आपने इस तरह का कोई कैरेक्टर निभाया है जैसे आप आश्रम में निभा रहे हैं, where you are actually portraying the character of a con man जो लोगों के इनोसेंस और इमोशंस को यूज करके उनको रिलीजियस लाइंस पे बहकाते हैं बेसिकली। आई थिंक आप ये खुद भी पहली बार इस तरह का कैरेक्टर अदा कर रहे हैं स्क्रीन पर, तो कितना आपको डिफिकल्टी हुई?
देखिए, मैं 25 साल हो गए, आई एम अ फादर ऑफ 2, आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड अ लॉट इन माय लाइफ, आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट मोमेंट्स ऑफ इमोशन, ऑफ situations which teach you a lot, and I've learned one thing about every individual, every human being has good and bad in them. You know, it makes you a better person when you can suppress the bad in you, because it's an inbuilt defect in human beings to be greedy, be selfish, have egos, and all sorts of these kinds of emotions. But if you let go of them, you can actually become a really bad person, you know, if you let them come up. And you know, so I used that when I was playing this character. I let the bad in me feel those emotions of that situation in the script and feel that, and that's how it helped me as a character. And also I worked a lot on my diction, a lot of time I spent learning my lines, because a con man he's so good with words. You know, he just says the right word at the right time, the right sentence at the right time, and influence people around them and make them believe what he wants them to believe. So I had to really get a good grasp over my language. So I spent a month, maybe more than that, for 3 hours every day sitting with Sunita ji, who is an amazing lady who sat with me with all the patience. And I learned a lot from her also, because when you're sitting and going through lines, the words you don't understand, and then she gave me examples of how in small towns and in areas like that, why they speak in this language, or why they use these words, and what is the meaning behind this word, so that I could relate with the character more, you know. So I think I really worked hard, and I just hope 28th it's releasing, and I hope that when people watch my work, I hope I don't disappoint them.
Yes, you will not, because you know कि the Bobby fans, आपके जितने fans हैं, since the promo has come out, the trailer has been released, and एक हफ्ते के अंदर 2 back to back releases होना, एक movie के form पे एक web series, I think the fans are having a blast, and here's wishing you all the very best, Bobby, आपको और पूरी team को of Ashram, that the series turns out to be the biggest hit of this year. All our blessings and all our love and all our wishes for the entire team and to you.
Thanks, Sakshi. Thanks, Sakshi. Thanks so much. Wish you the best too.